an easy one. Are they all gonna be this easy? So when you go to a hole, it'll say par 4, and you wanna make sure that you hit it at exactly 4. And if you do, I think that the score stays the same. It doesn't go up or down. Or does it go up to 4 if it's par 4? I thought I knew it. I think I'm right though. Par 4, like, oh, this hole is a par 4, so you have to hit it 4 times to get to the hole.
Oh, like par for the course, so you you have as many strokes as you're supposed to.
Pretty sure that's like 3. Like 3, like you hit the golf ball in the hole like 1, 2, 3, done, I think.
That's how many times it takes you to hit the ball to get it in the hole.
Let's go with that.
Par is the number of strokes needed to complete a hole in a golf course.
So we were kind of wrong, but kind of right.
Oh, genius. There's a reason I got a C in golf in college.
Albatross.
Albatross.
What?
I have no idea.
I genuinely don't have a thought.
Yeah, nothing's coming to mind.
That's in California. It's a jail.
I thought it was a place. Does it sound like something bad, like a penalty?
Speaking of Albatross.
I was about to say that earlier, but I was like, I can't say that.
Exactly what it is.
Like you do bad? Like, no, that can't be it.
For some reason, in my head is like a Rubik's Cube, and I know that's not.
That's when it lands in the sand, the ball.
I like penalty. It sounds
Penalty,
like
like
a
a penalty
penalty.
of some sort.
Yeah.
If I had to make a guess, it's a bird.
For some reason, I think it's a bird. If it gets on the field, like something's on the field that's like preventing you from hitting the ball into the hole.
An albatross is playing the hole 3 under par.
Oh,
Very
wow. I've never heard of that. Probably because I've never seen anybody do it.
Oh.
Is albatross a bird though? Like, can you put like a little like picture of a bird right here for me? So everyone can see I'm not just making this up.
Lip out.
Lip out?
Lip out, lip out.
Lip out, lip out. I'm saying it like that's gonna make me think any easier.
Like, you're sad? Like, like my lips out because I'm like,
Oh, I think I know what that means. When you take the cup out of the hole that you're trying to hit into, like the plastic cup.
Oh, I think it's the kind of way that you stroke the ball.
Or maybe it's like the pole is still like in the hole and it's like out. Either you're sad or the pole is preventing you from getting the ball into the hole. I'm totally wrong. I know it by the look on your face.
Oh, is it like when you're putting and then it goes around the hole and like bounces right out?
Lip out is a putted ball that catches the edge or lip of the hole without falling in.
Oh, those are so frustrating.
Makes sense.
Yeah, I got that one right.
This is hard. I thought it was gonna be easier. Can you give me some easier ones?
Sure.
Thank you.
Fried egg.
Oh.
Fried egg. That sounds really good right now. I'm hungry.
Oh, I'm hungry.
A fried egg.
A ball that is just all by its lonesome doesn't make it into the hole. It's just like a fried egg out in the sun.
You sounded so confident.
I did. Do you have a better answer?
No, I don't.
I have no clue. Can you give me a hint?
Does it have to do something with like hitting it into like somewhere you're not supposed to?
I'm at
A
a
ball
loss.
that doesn't make it into the hole.
Is it when the ball falls directly in the middle of the sand? Because like it's like the ball is the yolk and the sand is the whites.
Does that mean like your ball like goes into like sand maybe and it creates like a little egg? So it's like the ball is the middle, like the yolk, and then the egg like is the sand?
Very correct. It is a golf ball that is half buried in sand.
Oh
in
my
a bunker resembling a fried egg.
I'm so excited.
You know that?
No, I swear I didn't know that.
Close. I was gonna say something about a bunker. Well, it's okay. I didn't really get that one, but like in my head I did.
Chili dip.
Oh my God, this is such a joke.
A lot of these, I'm getting hungry.
Oh, it's when the ball falls in the water and then you have to get in the water to get the ball and then you get out and you're cold. Chili dip.
Okay, so maybe like the water's really cold and it's like a little chili dip. So like the ball goes in the water.
Chili spelled like the food chili.
Oh.
Is it the food you eat at the turn?
A golf ball that like goes in the water but then comes back out. So it doesn't like go in the water, takes a little chili dip, and then it comes out.
that you think it's gonna make it, but it doesn't.
Like a food break maybe? Like they have to stop and get food? Like, oh, I'm just taking a chili dip.
When you make a hole-in-one and it was spicy, so people go, oh my God, that was a chili dip.
Is it when it like goes in the water? I'm gonna say when it goes in the water.
When it lands in mulch, the ball.
It is when the golf club strikes the ground behind the ball, digging up turf and resulting in little or no contact with the ball itself.
That was not even close.
So not anything with food. Okay, good to know.
Okay, can I try that one again? I know what it is.
I feel like I've experienced a lot of these as a golfer, but I don't have names for them. So now I can't wait to go on the golf course and be like, oh man, that was such a bad chili dip, or like, look at that frying egg over there.
We're set.